Welcome to Easy Chemistry by Praveen. So today we are going to discuss about the topic is called as a how to identify the which compound or which anion, which cation, which magnesium, which hydroxide, which oxide, which organic compound having the more soluble, less soluble. So identify the solubility order. So here I am giving the some tips. I am giving these tips will helpful to find out the solubility order very easily. Solubility. So first of all, you have to know what is meant by solubility. Solubility is nothing but the it is a property of a substance. The solute dissolve in a solvent, that is called as a solubility. This is generally universal solvent is a water. So now we are discussing about the all the related to the water only. So here if you want to identify the which is having the more soluble, less soluble, first point you have to learn that more size difference, more radius or size difference, more radius or more size difference between cation and anion. What happens if the more size difference between the cation and anion is more? What about the solubility? The solubility more. Solubility is also more. So the size difference between the cation and anion is very small. The solubility is also very small only. Cation between the anion, size between the more difference. Solubility is also more solubility will be there. Second one is more size anions. You have to remember more size anions. More size anions, carbonate, nitrate, sulfate. This is more size anion, and less size anion, OH minus. Okay. So third point you have to remember that in a given alkanes, in organic compounds, in a given alkane, if it is having the triple bond, it is having the more solubility, more 5 bonds, more solubility in a given organic compound. More 5 bonds it is having, more solubility it will be there. Fourth one is the more bulky groups are attached. More bulky groups are attached or present, less solubility. Solubility will be decreases. Less solubility will be there. Fifth one, strong hydrogen bonds forming capacity. Given compound or atom or ion having the strong capacity to form the strong hydrogen bonds forming capacity, there will be a more solubility. If you remember these 5 points, easily you can solve the different type of the problems related to the solubility order. Now we can see the different type of the solubility order questions. We can see the questions. IIT JEE 2000 they have asked this question. Among the following which has the more soluble in water? So they have given that magnesium hydroxide, they have given calcium hydroxide, barium hydroxide, beryllium hydroxide. So whenever the metal with the hydroxide or metal with the oxide, metal with the hydroxide, metal with the oxide, that means only O will be there. Hydroxide in the sense OH will be there. So what will happen in this case? You have to see the size of the cation. You have to see in both cases, whether it is the oxide, whether it is the hydroxide. In both cases you have to see the size of the cation. If the size of the cation is more, automatically what will happen, hydration energy will more with hydroxide, so automatically solubility will be increased. See, we know that top to bottom, whether it is given the ions or atom elements, so size will be increases. So here you can see beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium. So among the following, beryllium having the small size, barium having the large size. So CBA plus 2 having the large size. So cation size should be more with the hydroxide. So we know that already I have written the small size anion. So small size anion will be like OH. So here cation is having the more size and anion having the small size. So there is a size difference will be like a more will be there. More size difference, automatically the solubility product will be like a more solubility product. See the next question. So whatever the points I have explained, so these points will cover in this question. So which of the following solubility order is not correct? So they have given the three orders they have given. Out of three order, maybe one or maybe two orders is not correct. We have to identify that which one is having a correct order. So see here, magnesium fluoride, magnesium chloride, magnesium iodide. So here if you see, more is the size difference, automatically they are having the more solubility will be there. See here, magnesium is common thing here. Magnesium here also common thing. So whenever if you see the common things in right, you have to identify whether the cation is common. You have to identify the more anion size. If the anion is common, we have to identify the more cations. So here what will happen? Magnesium fluoride, both are having the nearly similar size, small size only. Magnesium iodide having the large size it is having. So automatically this order is correct. So when compared to the magnesium chloride solubility will be more. When compared to the magnesium chloride, magnesium iodide solubility will be there. So oxide. So in case of the oxide, so the cation size should be more in case of the oxide. Then only solubility will be increases. So oxygen is common thing. So lithium having the small size, cesium having the more size. Automatically this order is correct. Next one. Cesium fluoride, cesium chloride, cesium bromide and cesium iodide. Of course we know that cesium having the large size, fluorine having the small size due to the more nuclear charge. Here you can see end point, you can see cesium and iodide, both are having the large size. So will be like a large size like this. There is no difference. But if you, when it comes to the cesium having the large size, fluorine having the small size. So larger the size is difference is more. Automatically solubility will be more for this. So option sorry. So but they have given that cesium iodine is the more solubility. So this is a incorrect. Next questions, among the following three organic compounds they have given, we have to identify which is the more soluble in water, which is the less soluble in water. So in the beginning I said that if you see the organic compounds, so first find out that the more electronegative atoms around the electromolecular atom or around the central atom, more bulky groups is present. Automatically it is a less solubility will be there. Bulkiness increases, molecular mass is increases, solubility will be decreases. Now you can see the here first product you can see either. So here whenever if you dissolve in water, it will form the hydrogen bonding, it will form the hydrogen bond, more electronegativity atom. So leave about that, more bulky group we have to identify. So here if you can see the it is the more bulky group. So when it is the more bulky group, less bulky group, this is the less bulky group. So this is the first one, this is the second one, this is the third one. So less bulky group, more solubility. So second one having the more solubility, followed by the third one, followed by the first one. So first one has the least solubility. See, around the oxygen more bulky groups are presented, So here only on a hydrogen, here also only one type of the hydrogen, but only the difference is CH3 is present, methane group is presented. So around that more bulkiness will be occupied, automatically bulkiness increases, solubility will be decreases. So see the next questions. They have given the four options they have given. All four options are organic compounds. They are asking about the correct solubility order. If you see that propene, so either they have given. So we have to identify the which is having the more solubility. So what are the solubility? So if you see, of course triple bond is there. Whenever given alkenes, triple bond is there. Triple bond is more solubility, followed by the double bond, followed by the single bond. You can see here in a given compound more electronegativity atom is there as a central atom, that will be having the forming the hydrogen bond. We know that more electronegativity atom forming the hydrogen bonds. So strongly they will form the hydrogen bonds. Whenever it is forming the strong hydrogen bonds, automatically solubility will be more. If you see here, so CH3, oh, CH3. So two ends they will form the hydrogen bonds they will form. So whenever it is forming the hydrogen bond, solubility will be more. In this case, you should not go with the bulkiness. So bulkiness, when we have to go, whenever if you see the similar type of the organic compounds you can see, or similar type of the compounds you can see, we can go. But whenever if you go with the electronegative atoms, see how many atoms are presented, whether it is forming the hydrogen bonds or not. So first one is correct. Second one is wrong. Of course, is opposite they have given. Third one, you can see that alkane. In case of the alkane, what we have to identify is, in case of the alkane, simple alkanes, what we have to identify is a double bond is there, triple bond is there, a single bond is there. We have to identify. First we can see here double bond is there here. So propene, when compared to the propane having the more solubility they are saying, but it is incorrect, because pi bond is a weaker band than the sigma bond. Automatically solubility will be more. So you have to identify the, you have to keep in mind while solving the solubility order. So thank you for watching the my video. Thank you so much.